Good morning. Today I, Divyansh Jalal, and my partner David Jalal of class 11th A is going to present on the topic sets. Now we will continue. History of sets. The theory of set was developed by German mathematician Georg Cantor from 1845 to 1918. He first encountered sets while working on problem on trigonometric series. Sets are being used in mathematics problems since they were discovered. Sets: collection of objects of a particular kind, such as a pack of cards, a crowd of people, a cricket team, etc. In mathematics, of natural numbers, prime numbers, etc. Sets representation. There are two ways to represent sets. First, roster or tabular form. Second, set builder form. Roster or tabular form. In roster form, all the elements of sets are listed. The elements are being separated by commas and are enclosed within braces. Example as given here. Set builder form. In set builder form, all the elements of a set possess a single common property which is not possessed by an element outside the set. Example as given here. Example of sets in maths. The set of all natural numbers is denoted by n. The set of all integers is denoted by z. The set of all rational numbers is denoted by q. The set of all real numbers is denoted by r. The set of positive integer is denoted by z positive. The set of positive rational number is denoted by q positive. The set of positive real number is denoted by r positive. Types of sets. Number 1, empty sets. Number 2, finite and infinite sets. Number 3, equal sets. Number 4, subset. Number 5, power set. And number 6, universal set. Empty set. A set which does not contain any element is called the empty set or null set or a void set, denoted by the symbol null set or braces. Example as given here. Finite and infinite sets. A set which is empty or consists of a definite number of elements is called finite. Otherwise, the set is called infinite. Example, let k be the set of the days of the week. Then k is finite. Let r be the set of points on a line. Then r is infinite. Now my partner Deves will continue.
Equal sets. Given two sets K and R are said to be equal if they have exactly the same element and we write K equals to R. Otherwise, the sets are said to be unequal and we write K equals to R. Example is given here. Subset. A set R is said to be subset of a set K if every element of R is also an element K. R is the subset of K. This means all the elements of R contained in K. Power set. The set of all subset of a given set is called power set of that set. The collection of all subset of a set K is called the power set of denoted by P bracket K. In P bracket K, every element is a set. Universal set. Universal set is a set which contains all objects including itself. For example, the set of real number would be the universal set of all other sets of number. Note excluding negative root. Intervals of subset of R. Open interval. The interval denoted as bracket a comma b. A and b are real number is an open interval means including all the elements between a to b but excluding a and b. closed interval, the interval denoted as bracket a comma b. A and b are real number. Is an open interval means including all the elements between a to b but including a and b. History of Venn diagram. A Venn diagram or set diagram is a diagram that shows all possible logical relation between a finite collection of sets. Venn diagrams were conceived around 1880 by John Venn. They are used to teach elementary set theory as well as illustrate simple set relationship in probability logic, statistics, linguistics, and computer science. Venn consists of rectangles and closed curves, usually circles. The universal is represented usually by rectangle and its subset by circle. Operation on sets. Union of sets. The union of two sets A and B is the set C, which consists of all those elements which are either in A or B or in both. In this diagram, the purple part is the union part. Complement of sets. Let U is equals to curly braces 1, 2, 3. Now the set of all those elements of U which does not belong to A will be called as A complement. In this diagram, gray part show A complement. Thank you.